Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace center lock button on Mazda CX-7. If the one on the door, when you press it, it doesn't lock or unlock the doors, then it might not be working and that might be the problem. Check the fuses as well, but if you know it's the button, we'll show you how to remove it. Not very complicated procedure at all. You don't even need to remove the door panel guys. Okay, what you need to do right here now, there is a cap. Okay, that plastic cap we need to remove because there will be one screw underneath. Okay, like that. So that screw is with a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and remove it now. We have many videos on that Mazda guys, and many more to come, and other vehicles as well. So please subscribe, help us grow, be part of it. Okay, and now you need to get a prying tool and just pry it out from the front. Okay, pull it out, and this is the button for the center lock right here system, center locking system. So go ahead, remove the wire. What you need to do, okay, right here you need to press down, okay, on this one and pull. And next thing that we have one screw here, two screws actually, with a Phillips screwdriver. It will be really convenient if you use a short screwdriver. We'll go ahead and even use the long one, but with the short one it's more convenient. Okay, one is out. Okay, let's see now the second one. This is the one that's a little bit harder to reach. Okay, right there. Those screws are not very tight. And this is the button guys. That's how you remove it. You just install that thing in reverse order that we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, give us a like please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.